Hey foodies, welcome back. We'll see the recipe for crispy and crunchy snack that's perfect for rainy day. With just a few simple ingredients, tapioca pearls, potato and spices will bring some flavor-packed crunch to your day. At first, grind dry roasted peanuts into coarse powder. Take a wide bowl, then start adding ingredients one by one. At first, they're adding sabudana, which has been soaked for 6 hours. Then boiled and smashed potatoes. Green chilies per your spice level, ginger, jeera, then coarse powder and salt at last. Give it a nice mix so that all the ingredients blend together. It is a deep fried snack that is often round or donut shaped, but I prefer to keep it flat. Start making flat fritters in small batches. Packed with the goodness of sabudana, crunchy peanuts, and just the right amount of spices, these fritters are perfect for fasting days. Carefully drop these vadas into the hot oil and fry it until they turn golden brown and crispy. Once cooked, remove the vadas from the oil and place them on paper towels to drain excess oil. There you go. Our crispy and crunchy snack, sabudana fritters, are ready to serve. Enjoy with mint or tamarind chutney or tomato ketchup on the side. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.